Hello everyone. This will make a randomized problem. Each time we run it, we will have different problems. Fun, right? Hello everyone. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. We started last time, lesson 71, 8 puzzle project with Pyxel. Let's resume from where we were last time. We installed pip in Pyxel and also started to code the 8 puzzle um, yeah code. Okay, let's see. So here, okay. So this is where we were last time. So simply 8 puzzles, so n equals 3 sizes like this. So maybe we can just continue to make 3 by 3 panels. Okay. So for example, to continue this, it can be like this. So instead of x, we can do n times n, and then x um, x coordinate can be actually, maybe you know this, I percentage n. This will be a very good x coordinate. And likewise, y can be I slash slash n times sz. This will make a very good 3 by 3 um, panel. Okay, let's draw it. Okay, fine. You can see it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, right? So, okay, just hitting escape will finish the program. So this will be one example of 3 by 3 panel. So from here, we will, of course, handle the board. So we need to represent a state, a board state, with a list to draw the board. So let's call it, make a list of 9 numbers and call it self.board. We use self keyword here because we want to use it in the all over the class. Okay, in init, in um, update, and in draw. So let's call it and initialize it in here in init self.board as say 0, 1. Okay, this time 1, 2, 3, 3. Okay, sorry. 3, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops. 7, 8, 0. Okay, here 0 is actually the empty space. But anyway, so here we want to write is, instead of str y, we can write f string using self dot board I. For example, this will write the numbers in the self board list. Okay, let's run it and take a look. Oh, sorry, something is wrong. Which line? Number 6. Okay, here. I wrongly erased it. Okay, here. Okay, instead of 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 0. So what we notice is that here it should be empty instead of 0 panel. So here maybe we can write here, instead of writing everything, if okay, maybe we can write here v value equals this one. And, or rather, we can use enumerate here. Maybe you know what enumerate is. Instead of using this, we can use enumerate, giving a list, and enumerate will write I and value. Okay? In this case, I will go up from 0 to 8, and V will go up as the list. Yeah, we can enumerate the list one by one. Okay, so we don't need V value here. Instead, we can write if V isn't 0. It's just simple. Simply this will do. Okay, and tab. So if value is not 0, it will write rectangle and text. And here, of course, it's kind of through V we will do. Just through V. Okay, so here, by this, you can write this. You can, of course, change it to, for example, 0, 3, 4, 5. For example, if you want it, you can look like this: 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 5, which corresponds to this list instead of the static one. Okay? So self-board, draw panels and numbers accordingly. Skip a panel for 0 can be done by if V is not 0. Okay, then function to generate and draw again. So we can try to make, of course, various games. So instead of writing here, maybe we can call a function to prepare a board. So here you can def new game. Okay, new game self. And then, for example, yeah, you can just cut and paste here and cut and paste here. And instead of, yeah, we can call it self.newGame. Okay, so this will call a new game and do the same thing. Okay, or we can shuffle the number list. Okay, so maybe we can start from very static status, which can be written as list of range 1 through, okay, maybe n by n will make list. So let's take a look how it looks like. So if you write this, it will be starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because it's here, it's 9, it stops at 8. So to use a more randomized problem, we can shuffle this. Okay? So maybe we can import random here. And then we can randomize random dot shuffle self board. This will make a randomized problem. Each time we run it, we will have different problems. Fun, right? Okay, we have all sorts of problems with very interesting number arrangements. Okay, this is good enough for today. Okay, so next time, slide the panel only when next to 0. Okay, so we will try to slide the panel, and yeah, you know, there is a rule about sliding. We can only click this and this to slide the panels. We will learn about it next time. So be sure to come back. Bye bye.